Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### Java debugging tutorial. Debugging is an essential part of software development, allowing developers to identify and fix issues in their code. This tutorial will walk you through how to run and debug a Java application using the Eclipse IDE, one of the most popular Java IDEs. We'll also cover some debugging techniques and provide a simple code example. ### prerequisites. Java Development Kit, JDK, make sure you have JDK installed on your machine. Eclipse IDE, download and install Eclipse IDE for Java developers from the Eclipse website, https://www.eclipse.org/downloads. ### setting up your Java project. 1. Open Eclipse and create a new Java project. Go to File, New Java Project. Enter a project name, example debugexample, and click Finish. 2. Create a Java class. Right-click on the src folder of your project. Go to New Class. Name your class, example calculator, and check the box to include the main method. Click Finish. ### sample code. Here's a simple calculator class that performs basic arithmetic operations. In this code, we have a calculator class that performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The divide method throws an exception if the divisor is 0. ### running the Java application. 1. Run the application. Right-click on the calculator.java file in the Project Explorer. Select Run as Java application. You should see the output in the console, but the program will crash due to the division by 0. The exception will be printed in the console. ### debugging the Java application. 1. Setting breakpoints. Open the calculator.java file. Click on the left margin next to the line number where you want to set a breakpoint, example on the line with return a/b, in the divide method. A blue dot should appear, indicating a breakpoint is set. 2. Start debugging. Right-click on calculator.java again. Select Debug as Java application. Eclipse will switch to the debug perspective, and the execution will pause at the breakpoint you set. 3. Using debugging tools. Step over, F6, execute the current line and move to the next line. Step into, F5, if the current line contains a method call, it will enter that method. Step return, F7, exit the current method and return to the calling method. Resume, F8, continue execution until the next breakpoint or end of the program. Variables view, you can see the values of variables and modify them during debugging. 4. Observing variables. You can hover over the variables in the code to see their current values. You can also add variables to the expressions view to monitor their values as you step through the code. ### fixing the code. Based on what you learned during debugging, you can fix the code. In this case, you might want to handle division by 0 more gracefully. Here's how you can modify the divide method. ### conclusion. Debugging is a crucial skill for any developer. By using an IDE like Eclipse, you can leverage powerful tools to set breakpoints, inspect variables, and control execution flow, making it easier to identify and fix issues in your code. This tutorial provides a foundational understanding of running and debugging a Java application, which you can build upon as you advance in your programming journey. Happy coding!